No. This song's called Doomsday. It's about being in... Fuck. This song's called Doomsday. It's coming up in our upcoming release. That's going to be the next band. That's not this one.
The sun hides behind your face. The curtain looms and now I see this could be the last time I enjoy your company, 'cause you're about to drop the bomb. You said, we're not the way we thought we were. We're not one and the same. We've been caught in this cold war, and it's run into the car. No one's left to run this race. Here we are now, happy Doomsday. Still find something else to celebrate. We fall out to green skies, while sun turns to deep red, and everything else is blown away. When you look to me and say that we can't keep going on like this, even though you couldn't be more right, still wanted to give it one last try. The radiation's got me sick, and now we stand at the bitter end, and I give your hand one last squeeze, and then release. Here we are now, happy Doomsday. So put something else to celebrate. We fall out to green skies, while sun turns to deep red, and everything else is blown away. I don't know what I should do. Here we are now, happy Doomsday. Wish there was something else to celebrate. We fall out to green skies, while sun turns to deep red, and everything else blown away.
My E string keeps getting caught in my pickup. Oh shit.